Hello and welcome back to our newest installment of Coffee Collaboration with me, Clementine. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a fresh coffee for you called Cafe De Olla. This coffee was actually recommended by one of our commenters, Fernando Ivan Castillo. So thank you very much. We're really looking forward to it. I personally have never tried this before, and the ingredients are really interesting, so it's super exciting. So we have the ingredients here, both in prepared form and in their raw form. Right here, what we've got is canela. This canela is an ingredient that is basically tree bark that comes from Colombia. And it's a lot like cinnamon. If you smell it, it smells a lot, and you know, it smells a lot like cinnamon, but it's not. It's not cinnamon, but it has acquired the name over time of cinnamon bark. And then this is piloncillo. So what this is basically sugar which has been strained and boiled down and then re-solidified. And it's supposed to be a lot sweeter and more flavorful than any other kind of sugar that you might find. It's an ingredient that's been used in Mexico for over 500 years. So we're really excited to get to use it in this recipe. And then of course we've just got, you know, our delicious coffee here for you, ground to a medium level. So yeah, I'm really excited. Cafe De Olla. So let's go ahead and get this going. Okay, so we let our coffee sit for about 5 minutes before we separated it with the French press so that all of the ingredients could sit together and combine into really tasty things. So now we're ready to drink it. Okay. It's coming out a dark color, which is, I mean, it's a lot darker than I expected actually, because it's supposed to be kind of lighter than most coffee that you would make. So this is going to be interesting. Here we go. It's hot. Oh. Yeah, that's really good. That is delicious. You don't need anything else in your coffee. So good. You don't need creamer. Everything, all the ingredients come through really strong. So I would definitely recommend this coffee. All right, thanks for joining us. And thanks for the suggestion on this coffee. This Cafe De Olla has been amazing. Thanks to the commenter who suggested it. Anybody else who has an idea, we'll probably end up making that next week, so we'd love to hear about it. Be sure and like this video if you enjoyed, if you liked it, for sure. And also, please subscribe so that we can make more of these in the future. We loved having you here. I love drinking this coffee, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. I chipped the horn. God.
Oh no.
Okay.